Hello, welcome back, and welcome to week 4 of Python. By the end of this week, we'll be about a quarter of the way through the course, and if Python is starting to feel more familiar, that's exactly where I hope you will be. This is a great time to experiment a little, try new ideas, and build confidence. Play around with what you're learning. Last week we introduced lists, and this week we're going to level up. More list operations and patterns you'll use all the time. We're going to learn things like slicing to pick out pieces of lists, common list methods, nested lists, and list comprehensions. We'll look at ways to practice looping through lists cleanly and efficiently. We're also going to midweek shift to visualization with Matplotlib, specifically the PyPlot module. You'll see how to turn data, say a list of average daily temperatures, into clear and attractive graphs with just a few lines of code. Visualization is one of the big reasons that Python shines in data science and in machine learning and scientific work. And so we want to learn how to put that to use. Reading for this week is chapter 4. We don't demo every paragraph in the videos, but again, you are responsible for everything in the chapter, and it can show up on exams, so make sure you're reading the chapter carefully. And speaking of exams, our first one is coming up in a little over 2 weeks. I'm going to share the format and coverage details next week to help you prepare. And there will also be an ungraded practice quiz so that you can get used to using the exam platform. We're going to be using the Lockdown browser, which is an online tool that um, will prevent you from being able to open up any other websites or any outside tools while you're taking the exam. The practice exam is optional, but if you've never used the Lockdown browser before, I highly encourage you to. All right. Thank you, and we'll dive in the next video to this week's content.